Hi, it's Neil. Welcome to my office, and I got the Stearns, and you'll see what this is in a second here. This is a life vest, I believe. I ordered some life vests because I have my boat and I need life preservers. That's the most important thing. I have some little portable-ish ones that are just the ones where you pull when the air fills up, but I have ones that were already full, and I didn't want to spend a fortune, so I went on Amazon and found some inexpensive ones that seemed like they were rated decently well, and that's what I got here. So that's what this one here is. It is, it's a universal fit, I guess, adult universal fit. Comes with all its boating information. I don't know what class it is. Does it say type 3? Type 3. So there you go. So it's type 3. And I'm gonna try it on. I'm gonna see how it is. I'm not sure what color it is, if it's got green or something like that. If it's gray, then you'll be able to see it. If it's green, it'll be able to see through it back there. But I think this is red. So let's try this on. See how we do. I weigh about 182 pounds at this point. So you can kind of get an idea of what it will look like on you with different, if you weigh a different weight than me. Let me see here. What do I do? I think I have to let the clips go in the back first. Yeah. Okay. Try this again. So this is like a universal size one, so it should fit different people with different sizes. So you can kind of see I've got a little bit of space here. And then let me loosen this up here. So let me fit this one on here and this one here. Okay, so there. So now I've got it on me. I'm gonna tighten this up. Tighten this up. Tighten this up. There, and this fits me pretty good. So you can kind of see, that's what it looks like. So, you know, I've got space here on the side, so it'll fit. So it's not super tight together. But there, this fits. It seems to be good. Got decent grab there, so that's good. And so I like this one. It seems pretty good to me. It's got the right amount of padding in there. It seems good. So let's see for the sizing now. So now I weigh 180 something pounds, 182. And so you can see this is how much extra loop there is. So you could expand these little suckers to something much bigger. So let's see how big this gets. So this would be about as big as it's gonna get here. So I'm guessing it wouldn't fit two of me in here, so you're not gonna fit somebody who's 360 pounds, but you might be able to get somebody who's like 275 or so. Or you could probably squeeze, if they're jiggly and jello-y, you could probably squeeze somebody who's 300 pounds in here. But this is a big, you might want to get extra large for them, but I don't even have any friends. I don't think that are quite that big, so I think I'll be okay. But I do have some friends that are like small, that are like 100 pounds, and so my 180 pounds fits on here pretty good. So I'm guessing there's a lot more strap around here and here. Well, this one here, there isn't a whole lot of tops of, well, but I guess around here you don't have too much to worry about. But yeah, so it can definitely get a lot tighter than what I'm doing in here. So I'm guessing it's gonna fit these 100-pound friends of mine pretty fine. So that's gonna be good. And my kids they're 20 years old, so they're old enough, but I think it's gonna fit them fine as well. So here's the, let me take it off. Wait, it's warm in here with this thing on. Okay, so let's see what the little instructions here. I'll show you what the little thing says here. So there you can see. And then here's the little pamphlet on the stuff for it, about it, whatever it is. So it just tells you how to pick the right flotation device for the different uses. So type 3 is designed for a stable face-up position. I think that's what I needed, was type 3 is what I was looking for. So that's what I got. My other ones that I have, those little inflatable ones, are like type 5, so those aren't quite what I need for boating out in the ocean. They're fine for my little paddleboard stuff and some of that other stuff that I do. So there we go. So this is the, can't remember what the brand was, Stearns life vest. And thumbs up from me, I like it. And I'll be using this on the boat. Probably not gonna go today, but I might go tomorrow. Okay, thanks for watching, bye. Oh, I don't know if I said, but I'm gonna put a link to this in the description. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and like my video. Okay, bye.